Hi, I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose of Raw Fusion Living. I'm going to show you how to make a coconut truffle for ehow.com. This is a recipe that is raw and vegan, and it's a fantastic way of switching to desserts that are a lot more healthy for you. Let me show you how I make this. We're going to start out with some walnuts. You can use any kind of nuts that you prefer to use for this. Walnuts are very high in omega-3s, very good for you, so I like to use walnuts as much as possible. I'm just going to start out by pulsing for a few moments to break the walnuts down, and it's going to make it easier for everything else to get mixed in there in the food processor. And here we have the walnuts are all broken down, and what we're going to put in here are some dates, and dates are what hold everything together. So this is gluten-free, this does not have any baking required whatsoever, and they really only take moments to make. Let's start out with some of these dates. We'll see if we need more. Once you get it to stick together, that's really all you need in the way of dates. Okay, just a tiny bit of water to get everything to blend in there. And I'm going to make these coconut truffles with chocolate too, but you can make them however you want. You can put different spices. And this is cacao powder. You can buy a cocoa powder at the store that's a very high cacao ratio, or you can buy this at a health food store too. I'm going to use some coconut oil too, and that gets everything to blend really nicely too. A little bit of vanilla, that brings the flavors out. And we always use a little bit of salt when you're doing any sort of raw dessert. Helps to bring up the flavors as well. I'm going to use maple syrup to sweeten this up. You do have sweetness coming also from the dates, and you could use any type of sweetener. You could use agave nectar, anything you'd like, just a little bit in here. And I'm going to put a little coconut on the inside, and we're also going to roll these in coconut, so I won't put too much in here. And we're just going to blend this enough to get it to all stick together. And you can kind of tell when it's coming up alongside on your food processor. And it's balling up too. Okay, all you have to do then is just reach inside, and with your hand you can make a nice little round ball, whatever size you'd like to do it. And then I've got some of this shredded coconut right here. I'm just going to roll it in the coconut. Doesn't that look yummy? Coconut truffle for ehow.com. I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose.